a day. Whoa. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Yeah. I think it might rain. I think it might rain, but I gotta hurry. Yes, I gotta hurry. It is late in the day already, and slept in a little bit, but that's all right. I'm gonna try to get back here and clear this brush. Right here, I'm gonna clean all that out. I'm gonna throw what I can in my truck, and I'm gonna go. But I'm also gonna be clearing the grounds. Already did this part. See, that's what it looked like over there. This is what's gonna look like. Nice clean edge, all the weeds out of there, protect them plants. But I got a lot to do today, so that's one project. Well, the first project is clearing out those brushes. Second project, clearing the ground. Third project is probably moving some of this sod that you see over here on the side that are sticking out. I want to move those, and I'm gonna put them over here where we're missing some. But and then the next project is digging the trench for the drain on the concrete, because everything drains back here, which that's what I told them to do. I just didn't put a drain back there yet. So anyway, enough of the talking. I gotta go because I don't know if it's gonna rain or what. And let's get some good footage. All right. Folks, hopefully you can hear me with all this wind, but doesn't look like I've done much. I mean, I'll show you the pile here in a minute, but whew, man, I think it was the lawn tools that said, old Justin over there said, you're only as good as the tool you have instead of the one you wish you had. I think that's how it goes. But I still wish I had a chainsaw, buddy. This thing, I mean, I know I'm big and strong, but this, cutting down a tree is no bueno, not one that big. So any of these other little trees back here, I'm gonna get cut down. And I just hate these damn vines. I don't know if you can see that right there, but these damn vines, they start up from the ground and then they just work their way up a tree. And eventually, I think they'll just choke out a tree, which I'm not worried about over there. It is what it is. I'm gonna take off as much as I can from the top and bottom and go from there. But now it's time to weed eat and clear this ground area out over here. Tell you what, guys, it is a beating dealing with these damn vines. I hate it, but it's coming together. I'm still working on clearing this crap out. You know, if I had the right tool, then I'd be able to do it real quick. But I'm doing it with what I got, with what I have, and going from there. But it's starting to come together, and I'll show you right now. Oh yeah, it's coming together. Saw what it looked like before and cleared out this area. Took down a couple trees in there that weren't really trees, I guess. Sorry about the wind. But there she is. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up and get all this crap out of the way and see what's left over. And I got my trusty old wire cutters right here. I got some barbed wire that's hooked onto that dead tree, and it runs all the way through to under there. So I'm just gonna cut on both sides and then leave that how it is and take it out. And then, because we have a new barbed wire fence right back here. Well, it's not ours, it's the person who owns that property back there. But we're gonna still clear out this area and over here, but still got a lot to do. It's still early. It's like 10:30, guys. I started late. It was like, I don't know, it had to have been 8:30. It's been a couple hours and I've got all that done. That's my pile right there, and right here, a couple piles right there, another one over there. But I gotta hand it to the old Echo weed eater right there. Did pretty good clearing the ground a little bit. So I'm gonna get back to work, guys. Let's do it. Well, I'm gonna end it today. I'll see you guys next time or tomorrow.